Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's David. So just started this channel, planning on doing plenty of stuff, not specifically for the moment, but I got a new project underway. Just bought it off Copart and I thought, you guys could be interested. So what I got is a 2014 Wells Cargo closed trailer. I've always needed one and wanted one. Had a really good price. Has an accident on the side, so small axle job there. So yeah, we'll need to jump on the road, and if you guys want to follow, well, let's jump in. Hey guys, you see we finally got it put on the trailer. She's a beast. Should be interesting to take off. So we have some axles that were damaged on the accident here. Just here. They hit here. We have this axle that's pretty torn off. So yeah, we'll bring it home and try to get that fixed. Today we're gonna continue working on it. I did a bit of stuff off camera, but now we're putting it in the garage and we're gonna change both axles and wheels. Okay. So now we just got that in the garage. So what we want to do today is go ahead and remove that axle right there. So we got two new axles. They're two different type of axles. So now we got to remove this one because we see it is a bit crooked, so it's no good. Thought it could be able to save it, not possible. So what I'll do is I'll get that whole trailer up high enough so we can start and work under. Let's do that. Okay guys, so as you see, I took the old axle out, and now I'll try to fit the new ones, which is one of them. But I'll have to remove these so that we can fit these different, because these ones use different suspension. Okay, so let's back to it. I've gone forward and did a bit of work off camera because had many issues. Now the issue we're running into is we have a small clearance issue, as you may see. So because of that, I had to order new axles. Sorry guys. Yep, so I had to order new axles because they won't be able to be used on the road. Like the front one's not too bad. The back one seems like pretty short. You see, like not much gap. So if we put the tires on there, they'll rub for sure. So for today, what I'll do, because I'd like to take it out of the garage, I'll use some spacers right here, just some washers, 9/16 washers that'll fit directly on the bolts. So when I'll put the tires on, they'll be a bit off, so I'll be able to roll at least out of the garage. And next week, well, I'll receive the new axles and we'll have to install them. Oh yeah, and one thing I gotta do is I'll try to adjust it to see if I can push it off from here, because like it's really tight in there. So I'll see if I can just slack the bolts down there and maybe slide it a bit to this side, because I think it's a bit inwards compared to that one, to the left one here. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's do it. Okay, so the wheels are finally installed, and it's a good thing that we're buying new axles, because if you have a look at that second wheel, it is crooked. Look at that. Yep, that is a crooked wheel. So yeah, that's gonna solve that wheel issue. Well, Good thing we did that. So now I'm gonna pull that out, and then that's gonna be it for tonight. Probably gonna wait for the axles to come in, and then we'll start doing the new axles. We're gonna change the fenders, because this one's not looking so great. There's none here. Can probably do a little thing with that. Okay, let's get it on.